Welcome, my dear beloved youngsters, especially teenagers. I am here giving you or sharing you some tips to successful life. Teenagers may not like this, but I am giving you because it is the duty of mothers, teachers, and others to give you advices in time. So, you accept it or not, I am giving. It is not an advice, only suggestion. You may take it or give it up. Okay, my teenagers, I love you very much. I wish you all my best wishes. You study well and get a top position in your life. You attain a top position in your life. So, these tips will help you in attaining your success in life as well as in job. So, please listen this. First of all, wake up with the sun. That is, get up early. The next one, give up what you dislike in your habit. The next one, write down the good things you have done and read it aloud. It will give you confidence. Pray, an unavoidable thing. We must pray daily when we wake up and when we go to sleep. It is the blessing of God to allow us to live here. So every day we give thanks to God for that. So pray without fail. Meditate. Teenagers cannot sometimes, but elders can. Meditate for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It is very good for your health. Identify your strongest desire. Forgive the people who insulted you or make you distressed. Start good habits. Curtail watching TV, especially in the evening, because evening is the time for prayer. Sleep 8 hours a day. Include fruits in your breakfast. Avoid even the thought which is painful to others. The next one is change your routine habit and experiment with new ones. Stop repeating the habit which you are stick to. There are so many such habits: biting the nail, scratching the head unnecessarily, spitting wherever you go, digging the nose. These are all bad habits. So, avoid that. Brush up your childhood hobbies and take part in it. Consume fresh food. Observe nature. What a beautiful world we have got. See it. Enjoy it. Look in, you go to nature. Wind, flowing waters, mountain, trees, singing of birds. So many wonderful things are in the world. So enjoy it, appreciate it. and give thanks to God. Gift fresh flowers to your loved ones. Dress neatly and moderately. Dressing is not only for us, but it is for others. When others look at us, it must be a feast to their eyes. They will feel happy to seeing us. So, dress neatly and moderately. Spend time with others who are in need. Take up the responsibility of every good things and bad things in life. Avoid criticism and gossip. It is not the business of ours. Don't criticize others. We can tell about their bad things friendly. Point out their bad things friendly. Not criticize or don't make gossips about others. Irrespective of color, caste, creed, and social status, know the self. And know that everyone is different. Avoid unnecessary expenditure. Spend some time alone every day. Give a good listener. Be a good listener. Curtail meaty food. Remove all the unwanted things from our home. Make a garden in your front yard. Live simply. Learn new words. Elders also can do this. It is very interesting to learn new words. 4 or 5 words you can learn in a day. And the youngsters can learn 10 or 15 words a day. It is very interesting, and it will make you knowledgeable. So, learn words every day. Try hard to attain your strongest desire or aims. Keep the good relationship with your friends, relatives, and neighbors. Be very friendly with your neighbors. They are there to come and give us comfort and what we needed. So, make good relationship with the neighbors. Give a smile even to unfamiliar persons. Travel a lot. It is very interesting. So travel a lot and see how, where, which our world is, our earth is. See it and enjoy it. Read a lot, because books are the treasure house of knowledge. And books are good friends of you. Books are good gurus of you. So, read a lot. These are the tips of successful life. Please try it. You can try 3 or 5. And it is not a compulsion. It is not an advice, only suggestion. Teenagers may feel that, oh, who is she to advise us? We know everything. Then why is this? Don't feel like that. It is only suggestion. It is my pray. I request you to go through this. Teenagers, now you may feel it is trivial or simple. But in the long run, you understand that it is inevitable, because in bringing up your children, these are very useful for you. So please listen my tips of successful life. Thank you very much, my beloveds.